How to get a backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a backup code for two-step verification on Roblox app. So let's get started with the video. The first step is to open up Roblox application and make sure that you are signed into your account. Once you are logged in, you will land to this home page. From here, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from here, tap on the option of Security. So right here under two-step verification, you will find Hardware Security Keys option. You simply have to go ahead and toggle it on. After you toggle it on, it will ask you for your password for verification. Enter your password, then tap on Verify. Now the QR code will appear. Now scan the code using your authenticator application. After scanning it, it will generate a code which you have to enter it in the box right here. Once you enter this 6-digit code, tap on Verify. Once you do this, you will apply your two-step verification code, backup codes as well. And each time you try to log in, you will receive a new code via the Authenticator app. So that is how you can get a backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.